Oh, hi. An Instagram DM. They want to buy squishies? Eric marshmallow cake. That will be 30 euros. Squishy of your choice. At least 20 euros. I Bloom jumbo strawberry. 40 euros. Eric bread loaf. And an extra? You can't just request an extra. This is my first order. Let me make a video on it. Where's my phone? Oh, here it is. Okay. Hey guys, it's Squishy Lover 1210. So today I'm going to be showing you how amazing my factory or shop is, and I have a lot of different orders. Like, I'm really well known on Instagram. Like, a lot of people buy from me all the time. Like, I'm the most popular on Instagram, basically. So thank you guys so much for 10 subscribers. I cannot wait to get to 1 million, and we are almost there. So the first thing that they want is obviously an Eric marshmallow cake, which is my specialty. So it's the first time buying squishies, like they said. So I think that we're gonna have to forego this one because I'm pretty sure this one's also Eric, and it feels like a marshmallow, so that's probably what they meant. That's probably what they'll think is the logo. I'll just tell them that. So it feels like a marshmallow. You can see it was really cheap. I actually got it for free, but it's Eric and it'll be perfect. So the next thing they want is a squishy of my choice. Well, it's pretty obvious that they want a squishy of my choice because, you know. So I have this whole big pile of squishies that I was going to DIY, and I'm still going to DIY all of them, and they're already prepped to go for the paint. So I think what I'll do is I'll just give one of them to her so that she has a lovely one to DIY herself. So take this one. It's got all the paint off it already. It's really slow rising, so I think she'll like this one because she demanded for an extra. Like, I mean, I would never be that greedy, but okay. You guys can see it's so slow rising. Ooh, I Bloom jumbo strawberry. Oh yeah, I have one. So, as you guys can see, it's I Bloom. See the logo? It's right there. She'll love it. I actually added a little bit of spark to it myself, but I don't think she'll notice. But I just kind of made it a little bit better. I was gonna DIY it to make it back to normal, but I mean, you can see that like a famous person edited it a little bit, so I mean, are you kidding me? There's an airport near where I live. I'm trying to film a video.
One eternity later.
Eric bread loaf. Well, this is like my last of them. So, like I said, that one doesn't have much spark. Gotta be nice to our customers, am I right? It's probably Eric. Let's give her one more extra. Wait a second. How greedy does this girl get?
I'm done.
She asked for 2 more things than I thought. I'm gonna have to call the airport about this because this is an outrage. Soft and slow cream puff and jumbo panda bun. soft and slow. Really? Does she think I'm some sort of rich person? Well, obvious, because I'm rich. I'm famous, and everyone that's famous is rich, but it's got the little branding right here. It's one of my most expensive squishies. I split my macaron in half and it became a cream puff. So this, I'm pretty sure this was from Soft and Slow, or like a company that was exactly like it. So, oof, okay. Jumbo Panda Bun. I have 2. Maybe I could give her the dirtier one. I've got this one. I kind of like it. Looks like I'm gonna have to go into my squishy room and get the other one. Be right back, guys. Mom? Yeah, can you... No, you press the red button. No, I'm doing a video for my YouTube, Mom. My gosh, press the red button on my iPhone. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. So I got 2 more squishies because she keeps DMing me more and more stuff. So this one's like a little bit of an off-white. I don't think it's dirty. I just think it's like an off-white. See? Has a bow and I really like it. Usually what I would give them is this deluxe panda bun, but I think that I'm going to be really generous today. The very last thing she DM'd me for was an eye bloom peach. I have 2 peaches to choose from. And this one has no defects. See if I stretch it. None. Honestly though, I like it a lot. I don't have any other peaches, so maybe I could tell her it's out of stock. I guess I'll give her the peach, but I'll make her pay extra for shipping. I told her shipping was 30 euros, but I'll make it 40 euros. So we've got everything in here. So this is a box from another Squishies Instagram. I just really like their design. I'm gonna ship this in the mail, and thank you guys so much for watching. You better buy from my shop because this would took like a lot of work. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye.
Many months later.
Hey guys, it's Lily. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a squishy unboxing.
The world is ending. The world is ending.
The only 2 things in here are half a macaroon, not my cream puff, and this. Guys, I spent over 100 euros on this and I didn't get what I ordered. This was all my birthday money, guys.
I'm so sorry for disappointing you.
been scammed. Sorry.
I want to talk to you guys in this video. It's been so hard.
It's not worth crying. It's not her fault. It is. It was all my birthday money. I've never had such a bad experience.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the forks are?
They're right here, lady.
Oh, but this is a spoon.
April Fools!
People online being so dishonest, and it hurts. So yeah, I did have a bad experience with a sushi shop. I'm a little kid, and that was my money. I'm literally 10.
Clickbait!
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Also, I'm not 10, I'm 12, and yeah, so don't use that against me. Anyways, I'm not actually sad. I didn't actually get scammed. Like I said, this was a skit, 100%. Or I didn't actually say that, but still, whatever. You guys, it's probably a cringy video, but that's okay. So yeah, also I'm going to be filming on my iPhone for a while just because I'm having some difficulties with my camera. But yeah, I love you guys. Bye. What you?